Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students. Sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'll take the attendance. Now tell the attendance, students. Diksha, Dheeraj, Nandini, Sahana. Okay, today all are present. Now we'll start the class. All of you take your social textbook. Today we are going to learn rivers of India. Okay. Children, what is the name today? Okay. Today we are going to see rivers of India. Rivers are an important source of fresh water. If you have any doubts, ask me. Okay, children. So we have completed this lesson, Rivers of India. Now we write the notes of this. Okay. What is the answer?
Rivers.
Very good. First one is rivers. Write down, children. Okay. Second question is, that is the longest river in India. What is the answer? What is the answer, children? Very good. What is the spelling of Ganga? Can you tell me? Okay, tell. Wrong. Wrong, dear. It's Ganga. Ganga. Okay. Okay. Hey, Diksha, don't disturb Dheeraj.
This girl, ma'am, this boy, thinking, ma'am.
Okay. I'll tell them afterwards. Okay, let's do second question. Children, see here.
Today you are looking very beautiful, ma'am.
Thank you, dear.
Okay,
The third question is, River Brahmaputra in Tibet is called dash. What it is? Wrong. Any other guesses? Tell. Don't laugh, Diksha.
eating, ma'am. Eating, ma'am.
What? Okay, the class is over. We'll see you in next class. Bye.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students. Sit down. Children, we are going to see additions today.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. 19.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
What is 24, ma'am?
The year is 2024.
Okay.
Okay. We'll start the easier one, addition in single digit.
Okay, ma'am.
2 plus 2 is equals to dash. Can you tell 2 plus 2 is? Diksha, you tell. Wrong, Diksha. Any other guesses? Tell. Wrong. The answer is 4. Children, so you'll be having doubts in this. See, how many numbers are here? 1, 2. Okay. So how many numbers are here? It's 2.
Okay, ma'am.
1, 2. So count these numbers and tell how much are there.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, so the answer is 4. Did you understand, students?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, Diksha, tell the answer for this. Very good. Very good, Diksha. Nandini, you tell. Yes. Tell the answer. Ah? Yeah. Yeah. Four. And here? One in my one in my Very good. The answer is 24. Clap and for Nandini. Okay. Finished, children? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Now I'm going to ask you dodging tables. Okay. Diksha, Diksha, I'll ask you one question. Two, Diksha, two twos are? Very good. Dheeraj, stand up. Two ones are? Very good. Sit down. Nandini, two tens are? Wrong, Nandini. Any other guesses? No, two tens are 20. Okay, ma'am. Okay. And I'll teach you two table now. You should write it in your book. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. 2 11s are 22. 2 12s are 22. 2 12s are 24. 2 12s are 24. Okay, complete it fast. Children, after completing it, keep your books here. I'll correct and give it to you. Okay, ma'am. ஸோ அவ்வளோதான் இந்த வீடியோ இதோட கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, அண்ட் மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ, பாய்.